I see any Igbo man campaigning or supporting the APC, my view is that he's either a coward or a hypocrite. If you cannot be a courageous Igbo man, you see, the Igbo people are blessed with courage, but that does not mean that you don't have cowards among them, because you cannot have people, no matter how strong they are, you still have weak ones among them. Yes, the cowards among them are the ones who are supporting APC.
See again. You no go better for your useless mother. You see this idiot calling himself Atiku Isa. Your useless family, your Amofia papa, and your, I don't know whether a dog fuck your mother where they take money, because you are speaking like a rabid dog. 31 governors out of 36 states. So no only Igbo people good to they separate themselves from the center. Now you know who sent you. And you see all these upcoming cash TVs, now they've learned one trick. If you want to build your base on social media, go they talk Igbo people. They tell Igbo people, say they marginalize them. Just find all the nonsense where they experiment Nnamdi Kanu, they tell them. Go tell them, go still the same useless iPod BSN foolish people. They go come and they go to hear this fool. They go to hear this fool. So now we good to stay away from the center. Every tribe where they Nigeria, they APC. Not only us go be hypocrites and cowards for voting APC. Benin people feed do am, Hausa people feed do am, Fulani people feed do am, Isoko people feed do am, Ishekiri people feed do am, Izon people feed do am, Uroko feed do am, Efik feed do am. Every other person is free to join the biggest party in Africa. But Igbo people, if any Igbo person do it will be hypocrisy. You see, this useless idiot that calls himself Atiku Isa, if they no swear for your full family, for your useless family, you're not going to do this thing. Now we want to come take do your upcoming cast TV sabi. Thunder go soon fire you. Idiot. Ndi Igbo na afugoni lezena nuofia. Seal bastard. Mwabanza. Utobo na you one conde tell us. Say na you get sense pass us ability. Foolish idiot. Do I blame you? I not blame fool like you now. Now our people where they don't brainwash, they make honor, they insult us. Now this iPod ESM bastard, they attract this insult onto us. Now, he don't encourage all these people to attack our people with the APC. By so doing, by doing this now, you know what this is a dog whistle. You foolish dog, where dog they fuck your mother. The Chris, are you mad? Anumpama. Ozu, can you debate me on this topic? Tell me any party in Nigeria that has built infrastructure more than APC in Ali. List the projects where they build. Because go check them at the end of the day na ADC. You go the campaign, of course, ADC na PDP. Na still PDP. And they believe that they own our votes with nothing to show for it. Other than giving our people juicy positions where they will be giving them money. Minister, they go give her in budget, and from back, he go come give kickbacks to those who he go give. And they love him, they love him. Without any project to show for it. Shame on you fools. Idiot.
Because video here in the check video Ijele. Because now that man now in Fuleba, the man share encounter with MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. And we go and watch that video. That video no go like a video go up to like 1 month. Oh, the guy can chop a video. I've seen it somewhere, but when chop a quiet chop, I force me again. So when for that video, the video the longer, The man shared his experience. Because you meet MAZI Nnamdi Kanu can do mundo mmadụ akwelu MAZI Nnamdi Kanu ugwu, and everything MAZI Nnamdi Kanu mele ya na mgbe ha meeting in a prison, that even na that prison that na MAZI Nnamdi Kanu was the one encouraging them to be strong. This is a first-hand witness of one of the good wills of MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, in my own opinion, is not entirely that, ihe ha na-asị na ọ bụ ime na mere nke a mee nke ọzọ. Enwere onye yi bunite ihe MAZI Nnamdi Kanu bunite that cannot displease some people in order to please some people. He will not be entirely right because mmadụ come. In his speech, which has some speech that is not okay by me, without make me to come and write this down and say that no, that is wrong. Case a judge mmadụ, despite the fact that we don't judge people, mana case rate mmadụ is whereby na if you rate ihe ọma onye ahụ mee na nke ọjọọ ọ na-eme. Now you begin to put the both of them together. Ke mazi okay, nke anụ nwa na nke ọwọkụkwa, nke anụ nwa na nke ọwọkụkwa. So by the time we made the plus and minus, you will pick nke ya kalege mma. So we are not entirely saying that MAZI Nnamdi Kanu the bad. Mana when somebody encounter that person in us, the bad, because according to Ijele, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu is the most, ajọ mmadụ niile enwe na Nigeria, ajọ mmadụ niile enwe n'ụwa. But that is a situation whereby even him, he once spoke good of this person when they criticize. So before you judge your mad or before you say no had the bad, meet and they may go encounter with this person. Then you must know how to fashion your words or how to put your words when you want to criticize that person. And in criticizing the person, make sure you are constructive in whatever you are saying. Because when we hear his followers will not find it likely. When he hear those no somewhere will not find it likely. Because in the Igbo na-ekwu sị na onye gburu nwanne ya bụrụ odogwu. Onye gburu nwanne ya bụrụ odogwu. Emela despite the fact that many people hate Ijele na ha like Ijele menka, Ijele jikwa bụrụ nka, hey mbana. There are people like Ijele na this my channel. There are people like which I see their comments. I see them, I will say that now because Nigerian name 1 or 2 and Ijele 1 or 2 against Igbo. Can only people season like Ijele can be see no. One on email, everybody are entitled to their opinion. But not to be now somebody the good. Deal with that person monetary wise, financially, morally, and every other wise is in dealing with somebody so that you can be able to dictate whether no how the good or the bad. Before you know no matter the bad, no matter making hojo, mother only make a good here with that person if you go that can be able to testify that that person made a mother hojo. Because when we his skiboku one time which na mutal me and you say that na abia say na mother the bad. That nyawa bu skibo that he will not accept it until Oji deal with that person is saying all the bad and can confirm truly that that person the bad. So before Ijele and after I condemn this young man na that video, first of all, have you dealt with MAZI Nnamdi Kanu one-on-one, or are you running with the same narrative in a run with or again? Because as long as I am concerned, Ekugumi how many years ago that now the Biafra movement and agitation has been hijacked by Ndi Ojo. So when your movement is hijacked and the person that pioneered that movement is in prison, carry out due diligence in hijack. That is where we are going to put our mind to carry in this Biafra movement. So because no video kabana subscribe or